Legends of Learning presents the Peaceful Revolution game. This is a history game that makes learning about politics in the new country fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, play as Thomas Jefferson as he runs for President of the United States. Learn about important issues facing the new nation in 1800. And decide where you stand on them. Can you win the support of the people and lead America through a peaceful change of power? Use the mouse to click to select different decisions to help make the right choices to get support from the country's citizens. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of history to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.